See, so generally using using programming language, we develop two types of applications. The main aim is what? Developing application only. Developing application only. Here it is a two types of applications we develop. One is a one is a standalone application. Next one is a web application. First one is standalone. Next one is web. So mostly we use these two things only. So standalone application means what? Is a system level application. Is a system level application. So nothing but the application run from single machine where we install where we install. That is, for example, operating system. We can say that system level application. So that is the first software we need to install into our computer. If you want to play video, for example, suppose VLC player we need to install. If you want to create any documentation, it's like MS Office we are installing, PowerPoint presentation and all. I want to browse some information, browsers we need to install. I want to heal virus in my system, antivirus we use. See, all these applications are standalone. We can say that system level applications. System level applications. This is one type. Next one is a web application. So web application means what? It's network level application. Network level application. See, we run from multiple machines. And do we need to install? No. We access with the data connection. Is nothing but in internet we collect that information. We can access that information. Installation is not required into that local system, as we use generally. Examples: Gmail, for example, Facebook is the same. IRCTC, Amazon. All these things comes under web applications. Of course, what we are using now, Zoom.us, and is like Vermaclabs.com. All these are comes under web applications. Do we need to install that software Vermaclabs.com? No. If you have a browser and suppose if you means what, with internet connection, we can access the complete information of that application. So we develop two types of applications, which are means what currently using to communicate: standalone applications as well as web applications. These are okay. See here, standalone applications are platform dependent applications. So what is platform? Platform means what? OS, operating system dependent applications. So what is the dependency? See, for example, if you want to download and install VLC player, here is we need to consider the operating system we are using. Suppose if it is a Windows operating system. See, while downloading you need to specify, right, VLC player for Windows operating system, VLC player for Mac operating system, or VLC player for Linux operating system. You need to specify the system type we are using. So why? Any reason? Yes, of course. A simple example: generally I have one text file. Can you open the text file using VLC player? No, it will give error. It's not compatible. For example, if you want to play MP4 video using MS Office, definitely not. Impossible. So software compatibility is very, very important. Software compatibility is very, very important. So OS dependency means what? Windows understands .exe file. Yes, it understands .exe file. Suppose Mac understands .dmz file. Linux understands .rpm file. So from operating system to operating system, the file extension is different. So compatibility is very, very important. Compatibility is very, very important. Is the one. But see, web application is platform independent application, whatever the operating system it is. Whatever the operating system, run on any operating system. Run on any operating system. Independent to operating system it is. Independent to operating system. So two types of applications. So one is a standalone and next one is a web application. Next one is web application. So these are the few points. These are the few points.